Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to shoot 120 frames per second on 4K on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung flagship cameras are beast, and if you want truly cinematic footage, you can shoot in 4K 120 frames per second. So as you can see, when you go ahead and open up camera, and when I go into the video mode, here at the top, you'll see 8K, Ultra HD, which is 4K, and here in Ultra HD, you only have 30 and you have 60 frames per second. So you might be wondering, how do I shoot 120 frames per second? So let me show you how to get this. So in order to shoot 120 frames per second, you want to go ahead and tap on More, tap on Pro Video, and now from here, you want to go ahead and choose UHD at the top, and then choose 120 frames per second. So this setting captures ultra smooth high frame rates video, perfect for slow motion edits or professional grade reels. You get cinematic slow motion quality for your videos, sharper motion details, ideal for sports or action shots, and you have a professional level recording right from your phone. So as you can see, this is perfect for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. Basically, it maintains excellent color and clarity, even in motion. So there you go, guys. That is how to shoot 120 frames per second on your Samsung Galaxy device in 4K.